What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are taking a look at Casper Cryptocurrency, Casper/Tether USD daily chart today. Casper up a 3.37% early this Monday morning, April the 17th. Huge weekend for Casper. Really nice to finally see a breakout, getting a decent pullback off some, or a couple, I should say, of resistance levels that we will talk about as Bitcoin seems to be rolling over for the time being. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the subscribers. If you are not yet joined here to the channel, go ahead and do so. Let's take a look here at Casper and what's going on. So, put out a video yesterday. Casper has made it's actually quite a bit higher now, but as of yesterday, it was up 17% for the weekend. Let's see. Yeah, just about 17% for the weekend. And then if we add in today's candle, call it 23%, up as much as 35 or so percent. Guys, that's in roughly 2 days. If you count today, it's just about 3 days. Incredible move. A couple things, quick recap here on the chart. Once again, this is a daily chart, guys. We finally broke out above this major resistance level at 466. We had this nice high come in on the 4th. I've had it circled for a while. I said that's an important level to break. Finally broke that. Had a nice move to the upside. Also, guys, we had this pullback here. That was a double bottom right here, right off support 334. I know people who actually bought off that level or close to that level. I mean, guys, that's it's a 65% move from where we're currently at in a very short period of time. I mean, if you take that bottom day to where we're currently at, it's 20 days. So it's less than a month, 65% in less than a month. Not too bad. We actually also broke above, and we're currently above it. It's trying to stay above it. Major resistance over here on the 17th of October. That high was 55. We have a couple levels where the price is we're looking for a close above today, which is 524, 522 right here on the chart. So you'll see this a lot, and you'll see a major break above a major high, a major low on the chart. And then sometimes you'll get a reversal off of that. And we could see that today. So our major high would be this high right here. I'll put a box around it since that's the tool that was currently available. And then today we're getting that high break above that October 17th. It's in the box over here. Well, the price is finding resistance at 571, one of our levels that we have on the chart above the market. So it's a target and it can act as resistance, which it is right now. The price traded above it, got pushed back below. So our current resistance right now is 571. We also want to see a close above that 524 level, which is down in here. We'll see. The markets look heavy. I don't even think Casper is going to have a strong close on today's candle. I wouldn't be surprised to see it actually close relatively weak today after making such a big run and then breaking this resistance over here, as well as finding resistance at 571. Also, I spoke about in yesterday's Casper video that I think, and so far it's playing out, Casper could find a little bit of struggle, some resistance, when it gets back up into this zone right in here. And where did the price get up so far today? Right in that zone. So that this whole zone here is previous support that got broken into resistance, and which was broken down in May of 22. And when the price tried to get back up there in October of 22, it got pushed back down, as you can see, consolidated all the way up until recent times. And so far it's getting pushed back down. Now this consolidation is pushed back down, could just be temporary, depending on, the overall market. If the overall market is just cooling off for a little bit and then will continue higher, well, then there's no reason why Casper won't continue higher as well. So we'll see how far this pullback, this cool off goes for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is struggling at that 30,000 level that we've had on our chart. Check out the shorts and you'll see that level. And I think Casper is just taking a little bit of a breather. It's made a big move, guys, in a very short period of time. So it might take a little bit for the price to get back up into this range here. So that is my thoughts on Casper. If we throw the fibs up on the chart based on this recent move here, we could see where this takes us. And it's pretty good that the 1618 Fibonacci level is just about at our 571. It looks like it comes in a slightly higher at 575 right here. Some resistance on the chart. And then above that, you have some, 2.6 and 3.6 are up there at 8 and 11 cents. So if you are bullish on Casper, there is some things to look forward to, but I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, to see this thing cool off for a bit. Let me show you the 3-minute chart and how the price levels above the market act as resistance. So if you zoom in on the 3-minute chart, the pullback isn't as the reversal, I should say, isn't as serious as it looks on the daily chart. You can see we rallied up to our 524, 522 targets, traded right at that level for a little bit sideways, actually bounced in between our 509, and then finally started to get a leg up right to our 571, broke out above it, pulled the price right back to it, sideways, flipped it right here into resistance, and now we are trading relatively sideways here. And we'll see what happens, whether the price does continue back up to the 571 or does it roll over down to the 524, 522. So the 3-minute time frames are cool for that to zoom in. If you're a day trader, I trade the futures. We use the 3-minute time frame all the time. It's nice to have a little bit of a zoomed in picture on the chart when price is moving. So guys, we have some much higher targets for Casper, but like I said in yesterday's video, there will be some struggle right in here for the price once it gets back up there, and that's what's happening today. So we'll see how we close. Do we close above 571? 571, let me know down in the comments. Does Casper Cryptocurrency close above this blue line on the chart, which is 571, which would be a solid close back up into this, which was old support, now resistance, trying to get flipped back into support, but it's going to take some time, I believe. Guys, above the market, I mean, we have some much higher price targets. Go back and watch our older Casper videos. Let me know down in the comments. I can make some new videos on those. But I mean, we have 12, 30, 35 cents. Zoom in on the chart here. We have some targets up there. 35.97 cents. Let's see here if we can adjust this. We have $5, $7. We have some 71 and 91 target, or 99, excuse me. So pretty crazy to think about that. But right now, it's just a battle at that 5 to 6 cent range. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Keep your eye on Bitcoin. It's looking like it's rolling over. Could have a decent pullback before support shows up. But then again, that's made a very nice run, just like Casper. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're not, go ahead and join us here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on the market, on Casper, on Bitcoin. Go ahead, leave it down there. Do we get a close above 571 today? All right, guys, take care.